And welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I changed the background. Finally the sun is out and I can film the way I've been wanting to film, because I honestly prefer natural lighting versus my lights that I use. I did this really pretty makeup look. I thought of something, you know, just really cute and girly and great for a night out or a date night or something like that, whatever you want to do. Wasn't expecting it to be this glowy, but that's how it turned out. Don't mind my hair, I actually washed it last night, so I'm dealing with first day hair. I just hate how much it shrinks. The shrinkage is so real. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications to keep up with all of my videos. I do post regularly now on Mondays and Tuesdays, so please look out for that. But let's go ahead and get right into the video.
You like a bottle, yeah, I don't know. Got me loco, give on no, but feel like I won a lotto. Feel like I won a lotto. 34, 2, 4, 3, 5, you are done. Girl, your body be like La Pizza, La Pizza. 너의 몸은 마치 La Pizza, La Pizza. Girl, your body be like La Pizza, La Pizza. 너의 몸은 마치 La Pizza, La Pizza, yeah. Alright, cool. La Pizza, you don't understand, girl, you mean with it. La Pizza, La Pizza, yeah. Whoa. La Pizza, you know you can't wait till I ease in it. La Pizza, La Pizza, yeah. 숨막히는 삶 빛을 밝혀 어두운 나를 감싸 안아 눈을 감은다면 내게 다 괜찮아 흐르는 눈물을 엄지로 쓱 닦아주네 한 번도 없었지 내가 만났던 사람 중에 나의 기대어 쉴 수 있는 바람같이 우주 안에 단둘만 있는 느낌 My grace 널 내가 기다린 것 같이 사람 품이 그리웠던 것 같이 You make me feel like I'm in your arms 비교할 수 없지 나의 가치 Love you time Make me feel secure Yeah 너와 나 번지하 이리 와 안겨봐 있었다 눈 감아 입술 다 느껴봐 You and me 완벽한 dream이야 So night girl yeah you gon' be mine Girl your body be like La Pizza La Pizza 너의 몸은 마치 La Pizza La Pizza Girl your body be like La Pizza La Pizza 너의 몸은 마치 La Pizza La Pizza, yeah. Alright, cool. La Pizza, you don't understand, girl, you mean with it. La Pizza, La Pizza, yeah. Whoa. La Pizza, you know you can't wait till I ease in it. La Pizza, La Pizza.
Okay, so I wanted to get a little bit close up just so you can see the eyes. I know I want to do something neutral, but I'm not quite sure exactly what, so we're just gonna go with it. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna use this Lisa Frank and Glamourdolls eyeshadow, and it's in the color Heartthrob. It's just a warm brown shade like this, so whatever warm brown shade you might have, you can definitely use that. But I'm just going to take my blending brush and put this into my crease. It is really pretty and pigmented. I really like it. So the next thing I'm going to do is deepen up my crease, and I think I'm going to use this deep brown shade from my Maybelline City Mini palette. I'm just going to go in with that color right there and put it right in the center of my crease to give me some more definition. I made sure to put this right at the tip of my brush so it doesn't end up looking all messy when I put it on my lid, and I can concentrate it right where I want it, which is right in the middle of this transition shade. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more of that dark brown shade that I just used and drag it into the lid a little bit more and just leave some space in the center. I do want to carve out my lid a little bit in the middle, and I'm just going to take my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot here and just a flat brush and dip it a little bit because I really want my middle shade to stand out. So I'm just going to focus this right in the middle. And I'm kind of splotchy with it because I don't want it to be like this super neat coverage. I kind of want it a little bit all over the place. So now I'm going to take one of my favorite flat brushes. This is by Revolution, and this is their BX80 brush. And I'm going to go in with my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place and take the shade Zuri, which is this really pretty white gold shade, and put this right in the center where I put that paint pot. So that we don't lose any of the brown that I had put on originally, I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and dip back into that dark brown and blend that back out on the outer parts of the lid. And I'm kind of going over the center shade very lightly just to blend that out as well. Taking that same brown, and I'm just very lightly dragging it under my eye. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Black. And I'm just going to put on a light coat of that before applying some lashes. My Koko lashes in the style Dashin. I don't know how well you can see that because the light is super bright, but they are just some really bold, thick, kind of wispy lashes. But I'm gonna put these on off camera and I will be right back. So now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners, and I'm actually going to take my ColourPop and My Little Pony highlighter here in the shade Trickles, and it's this beautiful iridescent purple shade. So I think that'll be really pretty to put in my inner corners. So I'm actually going to apply a blush today. I don't really do blush that often, but I feel like since it's like a really cute kind of, you know, night out, maybe a date night makeup look, why not incorporate some type of blush? So I think I'm gonna take from my e.l.f. palette here. This is their dark blush palette, so it's for deeper skin tones. But I think I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this kind of muted pink right here, just a little bit, not too much. I'll actually mix these two at the bottom. It's like a pure pink and a mauvey pink, and I'm just going to put that right along my cheeks here. I don't like my blushes to be too pink, and I kind of like to go along the sides of my face, because if you put it directly on the apples, it'll make your face look even rounder. So I always like to pull it back along the sides of my face. So now I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to take my good old Carli Bybel palette here, and I'm going to go in with this second to last gold shade and use that to highlight all over my face. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Earth Tone. It's just a really pretty brown shade. I'm going to use that to line my lips. So now I'm going to take this new ColourPop lip that I got, and it's the Ultra Matte Lip in the color WYD, What You Doing? And I'm going to put this on my lips first. So now I'm going to go ahead and do something with this hair really quick, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look. I honestly did not know what I wanted to do. I just honestly freestyled, and I'm really happy with the results. But I think this is perfect for a night out or a date night or just whatever you want to do. If you like this look, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so. I upload every Monday and Tuesday, and you can turn on the notification button as well so you can keep up with all the videos that I post. All the information on this look will be down below, as well as my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.